Hi friends, this video shows how to enable auto call recording. Open the Samsung phone app, tap on this icon, tap on these three dots on top right corner, go to settings, tap here, tap on record calls. Here you can see auto record calls. Let me enable, tap here, done. Then tap on this auto record calls label. Here you can see four options. If you want to record all calls, select this first option. Calls with unserved numbers. You can select this option if you want to record only the calls from unserved numbers. Call with specific numbers. Select this option if you want to record calls from specific numbers. Those specific numbers you can specify here. Tap on numbers to auto record. Here you can enter the specific number, or you can select numbers from the contacts. Go back. Last option, all calls except specific numbers. Set it. So using this option, we can exclude or skip some numbers. Numbers that you want to exclude, you can specify here. Tap on numbers not to record. Here you can manually enter the number, or you can set numbers from the contacts. Go back. Go back. If you want to show notification after recording, enable this option. If you want to see all recorded calls, tap here. Here you can see all recorded calls. From here you can play, delete or share. Go back. Tap on delete recording older than 1 month. From here you can delete old recordings. For example, here you can see 17 recordings 1 month old, 17 recordings 3 months old, 17 recordings 6 months old. You can select, then tap on move to recycle bin. So this way we can delete old recordings. Next I will show you how we can turn off auto call recording. Just tap here. So this way we can turn off. This way we can turn on or off auto call recording. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.